guys, till right now we just studied that is direct form of inequalities. Now we move for the coded form of inequality. Then what do you mean by coded form? In an early class I told you guys the coded form of inequalities is going to represented by the symbols. Symbols is nothing but at the rate, copyright, percentage. It is number of symbols is there they are using, and with the help of symbol they are going to make a statement. Is it clear? So guys, let's look at here. The first statement is given. It is nothing but $B means it is nothing but A is not smaller than B. Don't worry about the A and B. Only you guys just concentrate on the symbol. That symbol indicates that A is not smaller than. It is nothing but they are asking it is not smaller than. How we are going to represent? Simple 3 steps. You just write it as greater, lesser and is equal to. When we are going to write greater, lesser and is equal to, when we have the coded form of inequalities problem. When we have the coded form of inequalities problem. Just greater, lesser and is equal to. What it indicates that it is not smaller than B. Just simple cancel the smaller. What we get that? That is dollar, it is nothing but greater and equal to. I am going to merge it. We obtain it is greater or equal to. Once again I will repeat guys, when we have the coded form of inequalities, what we will do guys? First we write greater, lesser and is equal to sign. Then after that we write the symbols and we go with the what it indicates. It is nothing but dollar indicates that is not smaller than. Not smaller than, it is nothing but just I am going to cancel the smaller. Then what we have? One is greater, another one is equal. What I will do guys? Say simple. I am going to merge it. Then dollar, it is nothing but greater or equal to. Is it clear? So next we will move for A hash B. Again look at guys, hash represent what it indicates. Again simple, we just write it greater, lesser and is equal to. Is it clear? So what it indicates? Hash, it is nothing but neither greater than nor equal to. It is nothing but cancel greater and cancel is equal to. Already I told you guys, neither, it is nothing but cannot be followed terminology. It is nothing but neither greater nor equal to. What is the remaining? That is less than. Then hash indicates that less than. Once again I will repeat it. When we have the coded form of statement, first what we are doing guys? Write greater, second lesser and is equal to, and write the symbol what it indicates that. So it is nothing but neither, it is nothing but cancel the greater symbol, and neither equal, cancel the is equal to. What we have this? That is lesser. It is nothing but hash indicates that lesser sign. We will move for next statement. A at the rate B. Again what I will do guys? Just write the at the symbol. Is it clear? At the symbols, what next step? Write it as greater, lesser and is equal to. It is nothing but neither smaller. It is nothing but cancel the smaller and cancel the is equal to. It indicates that at the rate, it is nothing but neither smaller nor equal. What is remaining? That is greater. Clear guys? At the rate, it is nothing but greater. Next move for A percentage B. Again I will write the percentage symbol. Again I will write greater, lesser and is equal to. It is nothing but A is not greater. Cancel the greater. What we have? One is lesser and is equal to. I am going to merge it. It is nothing but less than or equal to. Clear? Percentage, it is nothing but less than or equal to. Once again I will repeat it. We have the percentage. The statement indicate that one is, I will write here greater, lesser and is equal to. A is not greater, it is nothing but not greater, it is nothing but cancel the greater, remaining is lesser and is equal to, I will combine this less than or is equal to. Is it clear? So, next star. Star means again I will write the star symbol. Again I write greater, lesser and is equal to. Clear? So, what it indicates? Neither greater than, it is nothing but it is not to be as greater and nor smaller, it is not to be as smaller. What is remaining? That is equal to. Clear guys? It is nothing but star indicates that is equal to. That is it. So, when we have the coded form of inequalities, what are the steps we are going to just follow? First, we write the symbol. Next, we write the greater, lesser and is equal to. After that, we have to look at what the symbol indicates. Suppose, once again I will go with, here the star indicates greater, it is nothing but neither greater than nor smaller than. What I will do is guys, I will cancel the greater and cancel the smaller. What is remaining is equal to. Then star is nothing but is equal to. And move for Early's problem. Here percentage means A is not greater. So, percentage indicates that I will write the symbols greater, lesser and is equal to. When we have the symbols quoted, percentage it is nothing but percentage I will write the first, after that I write the side greater, lesser and is equal to. It is nothing but percentage is not greater than, it is nothing but I just cancel the greater because the terminology indicates not. So, that is the reason I will cancel the greater, remaining what we have less than or equal to. So, mix up percentage, it is nothing but less than or equal to. Clear? So, with the help of statement we directly move for the problems. Is it clear? So, move for the problems. See guys, already we know this, dollar indicates greater than or equal to, hash indicates less than and at the rate indicates greater, percentage indicates less than or equal to and star indicates is equal to. Is it clear? So, with the help of the symbols we are going to make it as statement. Here the statement is given D star Q, Q at the rate L, L dollar B, B hash G. What we do guys? Simple, just write it as first D star Q, comma Q at the rate L, L dollar B, B hash G, hash G. Then what is the star here guys? Star it is nothing but is equal to, it is nothing but D is equal to Q. Next at the rate it is nothing but greater, it is nothing but Q is greater than L. Observe here. Okay. Next L dollar B. What is the dollar here? Greater than, look at here, dollar is here, it is nothing but L is greater than or equal to B. Next hash, hash it is nothing but lesser than, it is nothing but B is less than G. So guys, we have the statements in different format, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. I am going to mix up and make it as one statement. It is nothing but D is equal to Q, after Q, Q is greater than L, L is greater than or equal to B and B is less than G. Is it clear? First we have the coded form of statement, after the coded we convert it into the direct form of statement. Is it clear? Then look at the conclusion guys. So, B star D it is nothing but, what is the star indication? B is equal to D. Then G at the rate L, at the rate it is nothing but G is greater than L. So guys, when we have the coded form of inequalities problem, simple the same trick we are using, that is common sign, opposite sign and cancel the is equal to, that's it. So look at the first, they are asking B to D. B is here and D is here. Again observe the common element between B to D. D, I will cancel the is equal to, greater than or equal to B. Then what is the common here? That is D is greater than B or B is less than D. So obtained information, it is nothing but obtained conclusion is D greater than B or B less than D. But given conclusion, it is nothing but B is equal to D. So the given conclusion cannot be matched with the obtained conclusion. When obtained conclusion is not with given conclusion, what we are going to tell you guys, the conclusion is considered as wrong. Is it clear? Clear guys? Once again I will repeat, obtained conclusion is D greater than B or B less than D, but given the conclusion is B is equal to D. So the given conclusion cannot be matched with the obtained conclusion, therefore the conclusion considered as wrong. Then second one, G at the rate L. So again, once again I will write here, D is equal to Q, Q greater than L, L greater than or equal to B, B less than G. Is it clear? In the second conclusion, they are asking the relationship between G to L. G to L, it is nothing but, look at guys, L greater than or equal to less than G. When we have the opposite sign between L to G, but opposite sign when we have rise, the conclusion is definitely wrong. But here G greater than L, but here opposite sign. So it cannot be matched with the given conclusion and also to be as obtained conclusion. So that is the reason we stated as neither conclusion first nor conclusion second. Because why? Guys, both the conclusions are wrong. So that is the reason neither conclusion first nor conclusion second. So why the conclusion second is wrong? Because L to G we have the opposite sign. One is greater than or equal to, another one is less than. When we have the opposite sign, then the conclusion considered as the wrong. So the given conclusion cannot be matched with the obtained conclusion. So in given, already we know this, Z at the rate of Y hash K percentage M at the rate. This is the given statement in the coded. What we are doing guys, that we are going to make it as direct form. It is nothing but what it indicates at the rate. At the rate it is nothing but Z greater than Y. See, at the rate is here. Okay, at the rate here. Next Y hash. Hash indicates that less than K. Next K percentage, K less than or equal to M. At the rate again M is greater than T. Simple. Look at here guys, for your understanding I will just make an arrow. Then I am going to make it as one statement. It is nothing but Z greater than Y, Y less than K, K less than or equal to M, M greater than T. So here the conclusion given, Z at the rate M. What is at the rate? At the rate it is nothing but Z greater than M. Next at the rate Y greater than T. First what we have to look at here, Z to M. Look at guys, Z to M, Z here greater, lesser, lesser than or equal to M. When we have the opposite sign, again we are applying the opposite sign concept. So when we have the opposite sign, definitely the conclusion considered as wrong. Is it clear? So next, Y at the rate T, they are asking that it is nothing but Y greater than T. Again made statement, Z greater than Y, Y less than K, K less than or equal to M, m greater than t. They are asking y to t here. Guys, again look at here, y less than or equal to greater than. Again we have the opposite sign. Again what opposite sign? It is nothing but conclusions considered as wrong. So guys, is it clear? So when we have the opposite sign, the conclusion is wrong. When we have the common sign, have to observe with the given conclusion and obtained conclusion. If the given conclusion match with the obtained conclusion, the conclusion considered as correct. And either or case, it is nothing but both the elements are to be in the same. That's it guys. Practice well. See you in the next session. Thank you.